My name is Stephanie Goff. I'm 32, and my specific journey towards home ownership, it just felt like one roadblock after the other. The market was so bad and the situation was so bad that I decided, I'm actually never gonna get a home. I should give up on this dream and just move on. I was really upset.
The mission of Habitat for Humanity has always been around creating affordable homeownership opportunities. Atlanta is a city that has been deemed officially unaffordable, and now we are seeing a wave of younger applicants, right? Those who are just starting out.
The cost of living is just so high. I mean, I literally can't think of a single friend who was able to buy a house on their own. And then the opportunity to apply for Habitat opened up to where I was like, I can actually apply and maybe actually get a house.
I'm Andy Konechka. I'm the Executive Vice President of Georgia Pacific Building Products. GP's had a position on the board at Habitat for a long-standing amount of time. I was offered the opportunity, and really, it's opened my eyes. I understand the challenges that Habitat has going forward with the increased costs of building, of land, and we're really looking forward to growing that commitment.
It's the first time that we really used our products, and that is different.
With this GP product here, Force Field, it creates a vapor barrier. So it's a superior building product. It's all about building good houses, energy efficient houses, and these products will definitely make it more energy efficient.
To the people that work in the factories where the product comes from, I think it also gives the feeling of being connected to what we do.
That product is going to make someone's life better. That feels really good for me, feels really good for the team here, and it's something we take a lot of pride in.
I work in our manufacturing sector, so I get an opportunity to see how products are made and participate in that every day. But it's really, really great to see our products being used to help someone improve their life.
"35 homes that Georgia Pacific has built with Habitat, and the partnership means a lot. And to serve the community of Atlanta and be part of that, to build something with the products that we make, it's just super rewarding and very fulfilling."
We always talk about how we create value for society and being part of the community in every which way we can, including participating in initiatives like this with Habitat.
It's harder and harder to get started, to take ownership in a home. And so this organization is a tremendous example of really empowering people to build something for themselves. And we're proud to be a part of that for Steph.
It's pretty symbolic for me. Like, I want to have people over. I want to share my space. I want to eat at a table with my loved ones. And I've never had room in an apartment. I just am so beyond grateful. There's no possible way I could have done this without all of these people. It means everything. It's changing my life. It's changing the whole trajectory of my future.